Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen UV. First, carefully unpack your Zen UV device and confirm all parts are included, such as the main unit, power adapter, and user manual. Next, connect the power adapter securely to the device, and then plug it into a standard electrical outlet. Position the Zen UV on a stable, flat surface, ensuring it's at least 6 inches away from walls or other objects to allow for proper ventilation. This initial setup takes less than 2 minutes. To begin operation, gently open the sterilization chamber and arrange your items inside, making sure they do not overlap. Overlapping items can reduce the effectiveness of the UV light. Firmly close the chamber lid. A click indicates the safety interlock is engaged. Now, use the intuitive control panel to select your preferred cycle, typically a 5-minute quick cycle or a 10-minute deep clean. Press the illuminated Start button to initiate the powerful UVC sterilization, which will automatically shut off when complete. Proper maintenance ensures your Zen UV continues to perform optimally. Always disconnect the power cord before any cleaning. For the exterior, use a soft, slightly damp cloth. Never use harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. Inside, gently wipe the reflective surfaces with a dry, lint-free cloth to maximize UV light reflection. The UVC lamp has a lifespan of about 3,000 hours or roughly 12 months of regular use, and replacing it is a simple, tool-free process to maintain peak sterilization power. For your safety and the longevity of your Zen UV, always follow these best practices. Never look directly at the UVC lamp when it is active, as prolonged exposure can harm your eyes. Keep the device safely out of reach of young children and pets. Only place items suitable for UV sterilization inside. Avoid liquids or sensitive electronics unless specifically designed for this process. When not in use, store your Zen UV in a cool, dry environment. Adhering to these guidelines ensures safe and effective use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.